Hello guys, so it's a brand new one for the fans of phyno and techno. So phyno and techno went to the studio to produce a hot banger, guys. Like this song is a hot banger. So guys, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Nigeria Daily. Also subscribe if you enjoyed this video. So phyno and techno, they went to the studio together. They did a very nice collaboration. So what I'll be doing, I'll be leaving this whole video for you to enjoy. And also subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks guys. Peace.
Give me more, 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 more. Here we go. Give me more, 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 more. My coconut, that's my baby. My coconut, there goes my baby. We do connect, that's my baby. My coconut, there goes my baby. My coconut, that's my baby. My coconut, there goes my baby. We do connect, that's my baby. My coconut, there goes my baby.